Peace. Every day is a fighting chance to advance and become possibly more godly. Followed my path to Spain in spirit of the great Salvador Dali, flowing with Joe Carr, even when the road was dark. Reflecting on how things have come so far, all the while milling the streets with different walks of life, no car, but the glow of a star. Entertained with the language and laid back Barcelona personas, sipping on reds and cold Bitburgers. Hell, they taste just like Coronas. I was snapping pics and occasionally rapping a bit, trying to add a little color to the canvas. Like, man, being black is the shit. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. For those who missed the memo or simply had misinfo. By the way, enough respect to the freedom fighters who defeated Jim Crow. Now we have the freedom to choose how we move, whether we decline or improve. And if you believe there's such a thing as standing still, my man, you've been sold the wrong deal. Pioneers try and steer a few folks to lend an eye and ear. Consider living on your feet instead of dying in fear. I'm just saying, it's a gorgeous world, man. Make music. Make music.